In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add axis labels to a chart in Google Sheets. Clear axis labels make your charts easier to read and interpret, especially when you're sharing your work with others. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go in Google Sheets to add descriptive labels to your chart's horizontal and vertical axes. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Make sure your data is laid out in a way that makes sense for a chart, typically with headers at the top of each column. Those headers help Google Sheets understand what you're visualizing and can make your chart more meaningful. Next, select the data range you want to chart. Click and drag across your rows and columns so the relevant cells are highlighted. With your data selected, insert a chart. You can choose a chart type that fits your story. Bar, line, or column charts are all great options here. Once the chart appears on your sheet, you'll see the chart editor open on the right. That panel is where you'll control the design and the labels. In the chart editor, switch to the Customize tab. The Setup tab focuses on the data source and type, while Customize is where you polish how the chart looks and how information is labeled. Scroll down until you find Chart and Axis titles. This section controls the text that appears on your chart, including the labels that describe each axis so viewers know exactly what the numbers or categories represent. Now choose the axis you want to label. Select horizontal axis if you want to describe the categories or timescale that runs left to right. Choose vertical axis if you want to label the values that rise up the side of the chart. Picking the correct axis ensures your audience immediately understands what they're looking at. Type your desired label into the text box. Keep it clear and concise, and include units when helpful. Things like revenue, USD, temperature, DJC, or date can remove any ambiguity. As you type, you'll see the label appear on the chart so you can verify it looks right. When you're happy with the text, click anywhere outside the chart to save your changes. Google Sheets applies the update immediately, so your axis label should remain in place the next time you open the document. That's all you need. Open your sheet, create a chart from your data, head to Customize, go to Chart and Axis Titles, pick the axis, type the label, and click outside the chart to save. With clear axis labels, your charts will be easier to read, more professional, and far more effective at communicating your insights.